Hey John, Bob Holtacker here, Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough, Maine. Wanted to give you a quick preview of the 2023 C-Class Sedan. Really our bread and butter car. It is just a lovely car. I happen to have a C-Class, but the prior generation. They really nipped and tucked this nicely, brought it in line with the E-Class and the S-Class styling. It's just beautifully done. The interior is going to blow you away. I think that's what makes this car. And this will be the spirit of Mercedes-Benz for the next 10 years. All of our cars coming out. We'll have this center touchscreen panel. This is, of course, always real wood. We've never used plastic. It has the MBUX system where you can interact with it. Her name is Mercedes. To change the channel, set a nav destination, your temperature, open the sunroof, things like that. So it's all completely updated. This particular example has the MBUX system and the Burmester stereo. This is about $51,000. It is a lot of car for that price. They've really done a nice job with it. Mild hybrid technology. There's an electric motor in the transmission, between the engine and transmission, which really helps that internal combustion motor do its job while the turbo spools up. So that's just a quick idea. I can focus on any areas you'd like me to. My number is 207-747-9714. Again, Bob Holsacker, Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough, Maine. Thank you.